Can you identify this part of the car? No, it's not a funnel and tube. It's an oil return line for a turbo. Temporary. Yeah. Well, this is the oil return line. If I had that on for any length of time, it would melt within seconds. So, anywho, Patrick, this is for you. I've been working on this for a while. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. Yeah. 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 So, this is only the first exhaust exit. There will be at least one more. It'll split somewhere in here, go under the car, and at least past the door. I make this shit up as I go along, so yeah, this is pretty awesome. So let me put this down and start this bad boy. Yeah. All right. Oh, okay. There we go. Whatever. Come on, man. There we go. There we go. All right. Return line and collecting bucket. Check. Turbo's not connected yet. You understand, right? Got some squeaking going on. Yeah. Oh man. So you gotta understand, the car. This is a Kia, okay? And I've lightened it up probably by 75%. So yeah, this is a Kia that came with a 2.0. This is a 5.9. Yeah. And it's gonna be fun. All right, man. Talk to you soon. See you soon. Talk to you soon. Talk to you even sooner. See ya.